Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see your card number on Amazon. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your Amazon on your phone. Can be from your website or can be from your app. For me, I have accessed it from the website. You can also do it from your app as well. Once you're over here, all you have to do is simply go ahead, tap on this profile icon on top right corner, and when you are over here, all you have to do is tap on this your account and tap on this see all. Here in this section, if you scroll down, you will be able to find this section of payments. Here in this section, you will be able to see your payments, manage gift card balance, etc, etc. If you tap on this your Amazon credit cards, if you tap on this your payments on top, you will be able to see all the payment method that you have added right over here. So if you have been thinking whether you would be able to check out the number of your card, unfortunately you won't be able to, and that is simply for the security reason, because if you could get the information right from your Amazon account just like that easily for you to access the payment section, it can be dangerous for your account's security, because anybody could get access to it and can be harmful to you. So for that reason, you won't be able to check out the number. You will be able to check out the last 4 digit or some, but you won't be able to check out the full. So if you would like to see it, you have to have it physically with you for you to see out your credit card or debit card number. Otherwise it is not available, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.